Packet drift is unstable. Hear it. Not getting a clean lock. System's feeling off. Something's out there. On it.
I felt that too.
Okay, Lucky, I'm checking the systems.
Life support holds, but comms are unstable. Accessing older loss patterns now.
Ground shutter. Structure's holding. That was strong. Get to the obs deck. Moving.
Plume detected. Shifting angle.
Affirmative. Fresh sinkhole, Hab1 adjacent. Run comparison.
Initiating uplink.
The uplink is changing. It's following the pre-collapse drift. Look, a new reflection path. Something's been exposed. I need a clearer look at what the sinkhole revealed.
The depth finder is confirming the shape. This is definitely not a natural collapse.
Definitely not, Aiden.
Sending test pulse now.
Yep.
There, the shift matches. A new surface joined the path.
Whimper.
Lucky, come check these tremor logs. Did we miss this?
Panting.
Look at the anomaly here.
Oof.
It wasn't the opening that created it, Lucky. It only exposed it.
Analyzing angles. It's artificial. I'm going in now before the light gets worse.
Verify signal first, structural survey second. Let's move. Seal secure. Thermal check complete.
Comms clear.
Good job, Lucky.
Activation rhythm matched. Exploration plan anticipates disorientation. Adding collapse risk to the approach logic now.
All right, Lucky. This one's ours.
All right.
Affirmative. Good to go. The edge is shifting. Waiting longer could erase the evidence. I'm going through the lock.
Return priority reorder confirmed. Ready, Aiden. Final comms check.
Setting the first marker.
Still unstable, the west side looks marginally safer. It's still active. I'll approach carefully. I need to test this side before proceeding.
Primary signal just dropped. Comparison initiated.
Wall geometry is bending the comms. This texture confirms deliberate shaping. The cuts are too planar. They're
irregular grooves against the flow lines.
deliberately shaped after the rock formed.
Pulse initiated. Calculating return timing. Branching geometry confirmed. Placing beacon.
Analyzing ceiling height. Checking wall density. Dust pattern seems dormant. Setting retreat beacon.
Kaidens, route drift detected. Adjust course now. Copy that, Lucky. Adjusting.
The scratches run along the edge. Repeated maintenance or dragged equipment.
Stay with the pattern.
At a higher elevation here. Looks like the same directional calibration as before. I need to revise the search logic based on this new route labeling. The placement aligns with the ceiling slope. This is a relay maze, a maintenance schematic. This is the spot, but the path ahead is the path behind. I'm back where I started. Analyzing the markers. There's a slight edge chip at floor level on the left. The one on the right has more dust buildup.
Do you copy?
Beacon 2 planted. Aligned to the stair beacon. Let's see what's deeper.
Temps are dropping faster than expected. Suit life, 20%. Need to push for the source now.
Groove and cable agree. Multiple traces point the same way.
Okay.
Committing to this branch. Audio, boot scrape, cable tick, low echo, hush.
Serviced here long ago. Where were you headed?
Deepest here. This is the worn path.
Leads to the opening.
The path is getting smoother. The workmanship here is different.
We're close to the relay core.
What's that light?
Static. There's reflected clutter. What's the clean path?
Delay verified. Delay verified.
Matching to echo.
Left confirmed. Left. Line of sight test. Pulse. Return. Enclosed path confirmed. Following source.
Position varies. Function confirmed. Preparing to enter.
The route markers are fading too fast.
The window is closing. I need to reach the core evidence now.
Floor wear, cable ports, support spacing.
Perimeter secured. Optical calibrator engaging.
Verified. Checking all lines.
The intensity holds steady, sliding like a reflection. It appears to have residual internal power. The device sits where a relay calibrator should sit. I'm preparing a weak pulse timing test now.
Line of sight confirmed. Uplink bending path operational. Sending pulse.
Analyzing the patterns, this was a relay node. Initiating pulse test. Let's see if there's any life left.
Pulse initiated. Stand by for return.
Confirmed. The rhythm is organized, not random.
Pulse initiated. Stand by.
Broken maintenance units. They must have been trying to reach that service vent. I'll follow that path.
Marker is secured at the stair and conduit intersection. Initiating final Hab1 correlation check.
The spacing matches the trunk relay path.
Confirmed. Uploading guidance.
Transmission verified. Sending sequence.
Pattern recognized. Relay stabilized. Routing logic complete.
Pulse initiated. Distortion detected. Confirming timing drift. Matching sequence.
Acknowledged. Match confirmed. Locking timing now.
The misrouting cadence matches. The chamber is buried. We need to leave now! Get out!
Evidence secured. We turn to extraction. The node is not the source.
Sinkhole or network? Unstable.
Aftershocks. Warning. Pressure dropped in section 3.
Strobe is set. Return pattern is clear. Branch isolated.
Power margin low. Thermal demand critical.
Route confirmed. Initiating high-speed transit.
Cadence. Loss. Searching. Signal found. Reflected? Negative. Real. Proceed. Left.
The alignment is perfect. Confirming the branch. It matches the scrape and the symbol. Let's go before the next one.
Orientation confirmed toward the stair. Marker chain holds. Next turn validated by dust flow.
The way it strokes here. The flow from above. Yes. There. Follow the cleaner face.
Checking route memory. Sealing asymmetry matches. Confirmation complete. Timing matches last transmission. Pattern
Receiving now. Looks correct. Good dog, Lucky. Let's go home.
The landing is confirmed. There's Huron beacon found.
Hurry! The light is fading.
The entrance is still exposed. We have to be fast.
Copy that. Moving!
The anomaly has eased.
Signal indicates deep network.
Proceeding to Hab1.
The basalt layers are too dense for a natural surface.
Lucky, check that against the chamber sample.
It's definitive proof. We've got to analyze these logs with the communication data. The wear confirms it.
Yes, exactly. Traffic moved through the network.
Let's get these correlated. The chamber pulse matches.
Good boy, Lucky. Now let's check the archive. Earlier signatures match. Something's already active down there.
It all makes sense now.
Every eerie element has a technical explanation.
But the source is still missing.
Where do we go from here?
Verified the anomaly, but it almost trapped us. The chamber still holds its secrets. It's a mission pivot now, Lucky.
Whimper.
We need to prepare for tomorrow's danger.
Did you hear that? Brrr.